Jesus Christ pu Good Friday numitta pangtingduna hatok pikraba matung numit humni leiraga hingalakiba numit pu Easter Sunday haiduna malem pumbada leiriba Christian lining chatpasingna pangthoktuna lakli chahi asigi oinadi Christian lining chatpasingi maru oiraba tharam asi state asida COVID-19 na maram oiduna Easter Sunday gi church ta miyam tinduna lining laishol tawkhidre Nakalamaromda Imphal Archdiocese na Good Friday amasung Easter Sunday gi thoram sing Manipur Catholic Youth Organization MCYO Facebook account da live telecast tawki Christian lining chatpasingna Easter Sunday gi yaipa paujel miyam da pirakli
coronavirus akhoi misida akhoi fight to min se shobu thajaba missing oina akhoi shor kan haje se shorna show shoina pambalagni mishi lotion bagi launching ambagi matam shoida lagani dona mishi laktri bobo akhoi amma oina akhoi linjen manana shobu thajaba loina na akhoi mishi fight to min se Easter Sunday gi harauba Easter Sunday gi ingthaba Easter Sunday all
the citizens of the world to follow the instructions given by the government and also by the World Health Organization. May each one of us join hands together, not looking at their own respective religion, but as a all humanity in one spirit and one heart. May we turn to the Almighty and implore His blessing upon each one of us, especially the people who are suffering, the migrant workers, the people who have lost their job. May each one of us support one another and help each other. Wish you all a very, very happy Easter.
Impact News ki mai kairi su miyam da Easter Sunday gi yaifa paujel pizari loinana state asida COVID-19 sandoraktana ba lengak na lokaliba thabuk thoram singda miyam na cooperation PBU haizari paudam jari be hak Joyce Wisham camera person Arambam Yohen ga loinana Impact News Imphal